Saltspring Island is always worth the journey. Be it the view from Mount Maxwell, and this is the view from Mount Maxwell. You can actually drive up there. Here's an aerial view of Ganges. Some good shopping here to be had. And this is Vesuvius. This is the terminal where you arrive when you come from Vancouver Island. But it's on its own a very beautiful spot as well to visit. Early mornings we visited a very misty Betty's Beach. And then it was off to Ruckle Provincial Park, where the lingering fog obscured the horizon. And also it's a very busy marine route. Not a single ferry came past while we were sitting there. It was really like it was removed from a different world. But the main attraction this time were the congregation of migratory birds we observed down at Fernwood Pier. I'm no birder, but if somebody knows who is singing here, please leave a comment. So this was October when we were here, but I've been here in September and there were already the trees full of birds and singing, and it's just a beautiful atmosphere. So here we are down right under the pier, and when you walk out the pier, this is actually where you can see, it's just almost like an aquarium. There they are. It's just a variety of anemones, starfish clinging to the pilings, and schools of shiners. And with the sun coming in like this, it was just like glorious. And you could even hear the birds all the way out here on the pier. And back we walk towards the parking lot. So just this is my favorite spot on Saltspring. So Saltspring Island on its east side is separated from Galliano by Trincomalee Channel, and that's it. And in the background you see Wallis Island. Thanks for watching.